Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to simply set order type after hours trading in trading 212. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. If it's been hours that you're trading in trading 212 and you want to set after, like, you want to set order types after hours of trading, you can simply select your trade first. Choose the stock you want to trade, tap on buy or sell. Once you have done this, you can simply choose the limit. Instead of market, tap on the limit window to set the price. Activate extended hours, like look for a 24/5 trading or similar toggle button above the review order. Set the price, like for a buy order, set a lower price than the actual current market, or for a sell order, set a higher price than the current market. Now set the quantity and review and send. So this way you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.